Hey guys, I've been in my house for just over a month. So I moved in October 21st, or I closed, and it's November 28th. So I thought I'd do another tour showing you a little over a month what I have done. And now that you can see some furniture's actually in here, and just show you the progress I've made since the first couple of days when I did that original house tour. If you did not see that one, I'll link in the description, but that was after about 5 days when we had spent a bunch of time painting, but it was still empty and not everything was painted. So I've done a little bit more painting, and I've added a decent amount of furniture, and my mom has been here decorating because she loves to do that and I'm not good at that. So it's Christmas time, so you can see she did some Christmas decorating. So I will swing you guys around and show you the progress I have made in the last month and like a week. Let's start in the living room. I'll put a wide angle shot from my phone so you can see an overview of the room here. All right, so when I moved in, this room was brown. We painted it white, and here's where we are now. So that's the front entry. Nothing's changed there, and I have it closed just because it's winter and you can see that thing underneath. So, and I don't really use the front door. So that's the front entry, comes into the living room here. So this is not my real couch. Mine got back ordered or pushed back until the end of February. I was just gonna stay with the lawn chairs, but I saw this on TikTok. It's an inflatable couch. It's actually been pretty comfy. I've only had it for a week probably. I do need to blow it up again because it stretches out. It's like the backrest is really deflated, but the rest of it's actually pretty good. And I usually lay right there, so I don't really use the backrest. You can kind of see my pillows propped up. So I actually have really enjoyed this. It was 115 bucks. Very pleased with it because sitting in lawn chairs watching TV was annoying. At least now I can lay down and kind of, Reg can join me and cuddle with me. So we have a temporary couch until my real one comes. This floor lamp was my grandma's that she gave to me. I got a TV and we got that mounted. My dad thinks the whole back there behind where the TV is all brick because when he was trying to drill it in, like a bunch of red dust kept coming down and he had to get a hammer drilled to get it to stay. So maybe at some point we'll try to see if there's brick behind there, the whole wall or just part of it. My mom did decorating. That table was here last time. She found that for like 10 bucks. It's a world market table though. So we have that in here. We replaced the ceiling fan. And when I say we, it just mean my parents have helped me with those things for sure because, yeah, I don't have that much skills. I've learned a lot the last month, but anyways, so my dad changed the ceiling fan. Then my mom put up a tree for me and decorated it, so that's over here in the corner. And then my mom just brought me this ladder. I think she said to put like blankets on, but this was actually my grandpa's, so that's kind of cool. So that is the living room as of now, a month, just over a month in. So a lot more cozy and feeling like an actual house. Up next is the sunroom, which is just off the living room. So as you can tell, not much has changed in here. Still kind of just the storage for materials, like when I was painting cabinet doors, I was doing it on this table and on that bench. I just set this bench up here to block off this stuff so my robot vacuum does not attack it. Like that's a mirror that's gonna go in the basement bathroom, so yeah. Anyways, this room was turquoise. You can still kind of see it on the edge here. We need to touch up. But yeah, this was turquoise when I moved in. My plan is still kind of to make it more like a game room, get like a, I don't know, like a poker table or something in here. I wouldn't use it as a sitting room. I don't need a sitting room, so I don't think I will use it as that. Do love the sunlight that comes in here, but I don't think I would use it for that. Moving into the kitchen. So when I moved in, the walls in the kitchen were white, the backsplash was tan, the cabinets were kind of an orangish shade. So I painted the cabinets navy. The color's deep navy, no, Hale navy by Benjamin Moore. So I painted the uppers and the lowers. I spray painted the handles black. I painted the backsplash white. And that's about it. Oh, the walls white also. So I got over here too. Again, my mom with her decorating skills, so she did all the Christmassy stuff. I did do all the painting for this on my own. I just would work on it little by little. Since I live by myself, it doesn't really matter if I left things out or off, so it was kind of a mess for a few weeks, but it's done now. So I got that done, and then into like the, I don't know, eating area, dining room area. Nice little Christmas tree, but my mom actually got me this table for free. One of her friend's sisters was moving and giving it away, so we love a free table, so that's worked out well. I actually have a kitchen table. If you're seeing the plastic over the windows and you're not from the Midwest, my windows are old, so this is supposed to help keep the heat in, reduce your heating bill in the winter months, so that's why there's plastic over the windows. And I also got these chairs from Amazon for at the counter. I want to get one more, because one more will fit there, but I've been liking those as well. So yeah, I really love how the kitchen turned out. The only other thing I think I would want to do is replace the countertops at some point. I kind of like the butcher block counters, and they're not that expensive. So if I did that, I would also redo the backsplash with like subway tile with like the black grout. I do like it painted white, but I think if I'm going to redo the counters, I might as well just redo the backsplash at that time too. So that would be the only other thing I would do in here. But as of now, I'm enjoying it. Off of the kitchen, we have the back entryway. These walls were orange. This was still white. We just painted, like retouched it. These were the same color as the kitchen cabinet, so I painted those navy as well. I do need to paint underneath because you can kind of see that. But yeah, this has been a good little area, especially for Reg, right? All right, I'm gonna throw his ball quick. And I did put up this temporary snow fence for Reg just so he can stay in the yard and I don't have to worry about him wandering. In the spring, I'll get like an actual fence put up. That way my whole entire yard is fenced in. That's the only chunk I needed, but this works for the winter. All right, let's go upstairs. I still do need to paint this area right here and the stairwell as well. I just need to get a taller ladder. I ripped the carpet off the stairs because it was gross, so I think my parents sometime are gonna help me try to sand this down some and do what we need to do. And then I also ripped the carpet on the landing here. And you can tell where I stopped painting. So this whole landing up here was this tannish brown color, and I did paint this white now. And the floors need some work, but it's better than the nasty carpet that was there. All right, let's start in the bathroom. So even in my last video, this was still purple from the previous owners. So I painted that white. I painted the vanity, the same navy blue, because that gallon of paint has got me a long ways. Yeah, so walls painted, spray painted, the little fixtures black, spray painted the towel thing black, got a new faucet, and got a new, there wasn't any storage above the sink before, so I got this, it's cheap from Menards, it was like 50 bucks, but it's like a medicine cabinet, so I have a little bit of storage above. So that is the updated bathroom. Moving into my room, when I moved in, this room was red and dark brown. So, now, my mom got me this nightstand. I had this by my bed originally, and then she brought me that one, so you can vote which one you like better, because I really don't care, I don't know. So for right now, it's been that one. I got this rug from Boutique Rugs. And then, yeah, I just have this over here for now until I decide what I want to do with it. I have curtains now, so I can actually, you know, get some privacy at night. My closet's over there. The one thing we still need to do in here is get the ceiling fan and the light back up. So that'll be, hopefully the next time my parents are up, probably around New Year's time. But yeah, so that is my room. Next up, let's go to the room that eventually will be like an office, but for now is my kind of laundry room. This room had the nasty carpet, and the hardwood in here is actually in pretty good condition. None of the paint on there is from us because we painted it when the carpet was on. So again, we'll just have to like sand it down a little bit and then refinish it or whatever you do. But much better than the nasty carpet that was in here. And they had cats, so it was just like full of cat hair. So it felt really good to get that pulled out and up. And the walls were like the same tan, so we got those white. And other than that, right now I've just been throwing my clean laundry in here until I put it away. So at some point I'll get a desk and whatnot and make this more like a little office, but until then, it's my clean laundry room, I guess. And then we go to the last bedroom upstairs. So again, this one had the same nasty carpet, so I pulled that out. This is just some stuff I still haven't unpacked or put away because I'm lazy and I've been painting instead. This will be a bedroom at some point whenever I get another extra bed. Obviously the light needs to go back up and we need to do some work on the floors. I still need to pull like the nails from the carpet along the outside, and then the staples are still in the floor. So that's just kind of tedious, so I did that in one room and I haven't done that in here yet. At some point I will. But I like this much better without the carpet as well. So eventually it'll be ready for an extra bed. And we will make our way to the basement. Not a lot has changed there, but I'll show it to you anyways. I did paint this entryway. This is brown. I need to make this door. This is the door I use the most now. Not what's so janky. Still have the nasty fluorescent lights down here that are gonna flicker probably. But just kind of a storage area for right now. The one area is, this was turquoise. So I started painting it white, but I ran out of paint after one coat. So a black mirror will go here. I did paint the vanity navy. I have some new black, like a toilet paper thing and a towel thing for it. And yeah, so that's kind of the update on the downstairs bathroom. So that's it for the house tour. I've been loving it, Reg has been loving it. I can come home at lunch, so it's been awesome. It's starting to actually feel like a home now that I have a couch, table, some furniture. So really all I need is my actual couch to come and then to get that sunroom put together, and from there it's just like little things, getting guest beds and stuff like that ready. So thanks for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed the progress, and maybe when I'm fully done, I'll do one last tour video. So thanks for watching. Bye.